Hello friends, before I start I want to say two things. One is that I don't usually speak in my videos for two reasons. One of them is that, well, my English is not so good, so thank you for your understanding. And another reason is, well, I just don't like the sound of my voice. What I'm trying to show you here is, well, there's one YouTuber who posted Nibiru scene from his behind welding glass, and I wanna show you that this is fake, because as you can see, I move camera and this object is still there. It's not moving. But if this guy would be honest, and if he would care about quality of his channel and not quantity, he wouldn't do that, because if you move welding glass, you can see, you see, it's moving. There's nothing there. Okay? There's nothing. Here. I'm not trying to make fun of people. That's why I'm not even going to mention his name. I have told a few of you about him. You have seen it. This video is only here for one purpose, and that purpose is that next time when you see someone posting Nibiru through welding glass, that you are aware of bullshit. Because I am Nibiru believer and I can't see anymore, well, all this fuckery going on, and then people put us all together in same category. So there's two kinds of people, or Nibiru watchers. One of them are those who care about the number of their subscribers and not telling the truth, even though they preach words of God and Jesus, fooling people, scaring people. And there are people like me, like for example Mari from WTF Sky, who actually make research. So here it is. Have a great day. Bye.